Whoa! So hey guys, what's up? I'm back again with another video, and as you've seen the thumbnail, today we're going to create Beyblade with these things guys, some bottle caps and this main things guys. As you can see, 3 balls guys and this circular disc. I don't know what it's actually called, but I just named it as circular disc. Anyway, so here's the 3 balls guys, as you can see. And yeah guys, I can assure you this each ball definitely weighs almost 30 grams, and also this one also 30 grams I guess. So yeah, this Beyblade is also going to be 100 grams heavy. So okay, anyway, let's just quickly make our Beyblade guys. I hope you will like this Beyblade. Let's go. Okay guys, oops, sorry. Okay guys, first I'm going to stick these 3 bolts on the disc like this way using super glue. I'm not going to use other glues because guys, I had tried to stick metal things with hot glue, but yeah, at the end the glue comes out and yeah, it doesn't work that much properly. So yeah, super glue is an alternative way, or you can also use M-Seal, which I have right now as you can see, but I'm not going to use M-Seal right now because M-Seal takes a long time to dry up. So yeah, for better stickings, I'm going to use this super glue. So just first rub it little bit. As you can see, fully smooth bottom. And I recommend you to do this guys, otherwise the bolts will not stick properly on the circular disc. So you definitely need to do this. You need to make this bottom fully smooth. Here you go. Not going to waste super glue. Yeah. And guys, I can also suggest you to use M-Seal. M-Seal is a better option to stick metal properly, because I can assure you guys at the end this super glue will also come out and make the Beyblade fully get destroyed. So yeah, at the end guys, I will definitely use M-Seal later, but yeah, I just started the video too much late today. So yeah, I will stick M-Seal later. But guys, while this part is drying up, let's just quickly mix our M-Seal, because yeah, this time I'm definitely going to use M-Seal guys. Yeah, it will definitely take time to dry up, but at the end I hope the Beyblade will hold up well. Okay, let's just really cut out the M-Seal guys. Okay, we'll just quickly mix it guys. Okay guys, now it's definitely going to take a long time to mix this M-Seal. I have to mix it until it fully gets black. Okay, and I don't know this M-Seal is fully fresh or not, because yeah, a little bit too much solid M-Seal I guess. Anyway, while guys I'm mixing the M-Seal, make sure to subscribe if you're new, if you're watching this video, and please like this video guys, because you know these videos takes a long time to make, and I'm just doing it only for you guys. So please just subscribe bros. Okay guys, the M-Seal is almost turned black as you can see. Wow guys, this M-Seal is actually fully fresh guys, just perfect M-Seal as you can see. Wow, now I'm going to stick it all around the Beyblade to make it much more heavier. So okay, let's just quickly do that guys. Okay, first I'm going to add M-Seal at this side guys. Okay, here we go. Going to add it a good shape. Oops. Yeah guys, these M-Seals are also very sticky. I think I need to use water. Okay guys, now just shaping the Beyblade guys. Okay, need a fully straight thing like this cutter, you know, fully smooth. Okay, here we go. Okay, I don't know guys, but yeah, this is looking like a triangle shaped Beyblade. You know, 3 contact points, so yeah, definitely triangle shape. And each and every Beyblade that which has 3 contact points, it definitely looks like a triangle shaped Beyblade, because triangle shape has 3 contact points, you know. So yeah, this is actually going to be a 3 contact point Beyblade guys, as you can see. And no, I know now it's looking a little bit too much dirty guys, but yeah, at the end I will just show you the final result very soon. Yep guys, just trying up the full Beyblade because I don't have enough time. Whoa. Okay guys, here we have our new Beyblade layer blade. As you can see, just look at that guys, looking so much chunky and fully solid guys. And look at these 3 contact points guys, just 1 2 3. This is going to have a really high recoil I guess, and yeah, this Beyblade definitely going to hit hard to other base. And yeah, here's the final look guys, as you can see. And yeah, the M-Seal is still a little bit wet I guess. It's not actually fully dried up yet, but yeah, I think it will also take half an hour to fully dry up. Anyway guys, here's the final blade guys, as you can see. Okay, now let's just quickly make the prong and just stick it on top, and at the end I will stick a performance tab and these bottle caps. Okay, let's just quickly make the Beyblade guys. Let's go. And guys, very sorry for poor video quality, because this M-Seal just took a long time to dry up, almost an hour guys. So yeah, the daylight is not that much right now, so I'm very sorry for bad video quality. Okay, let's just cut down. Oh yeah, I just forgot to tell you guys, yeah, as you've seen guys, here it is guys, Beyblade X launcher. So yeah, I'm going to make this Beyblade as a Beyblade X Bay, because yeah guys, this Beyblade is very heavy. So I think it would be much better if I make this Beyblade as a Beyblade X Bay, because it has 3 Beyblade prong casts, as you can see, 3 Beyblade prongs. So yeah, definitely it will help the Beyblade to hold properly. So guys, finally I'm done making the prong, as you can see. Now we just have to stick it on top like this way, and I'm definitely going to use super glue and also a little bit hot glue to stick it fully properly. So let's just really stick it guys. guys, this smell is very, very bad. The smell of conceal. So guys, now it's time for the last part, and that is the performance tip. So yeah, I'm going to use a bottle cap, and at the end I will attach a performance tip, metal performance tip, you know, which I always had used in my previous videos. But first let's just really stick this bottle cap, but I need to trim it out a little bit because it's too much tall. And yeah, the base is almost looking too much tall, as you can see. So not going to make it too much tall, guys, otherwise the stamina will just decrease very quickly. Okay, let me just quickly trim out the bottle cap. Please guys, don't just skip the video right now because we are almost very, very close to make the Beyblade. Just need to stick this bottle cap, and finally guys, I will stick a performance tip at the end, and our Beyblade will be fully ready. Okay, here we go. Now let's just quickly attach the performance tip. Come on, man, hurry up, hurry up. Okay. And who is making this sussy noise, bro? Okay, let's just keep it to dry, guys, and our Beyblade will be fully ready. Okay.
The next day.
Might be thinking why I'm doing this, so you are gonna see that later. Just watch the video, guys. I'm just trying to give a perfect looking triangular shape on this Beyblade. So yeah, just wait. Almost done, because I am rubbing this Beyblade almost for 30 minutes, I guess. Okay, I think I'm finally done, guys. Just look at that. Oh, just look at that, guys. Here it is, guys. Just look at that. And yeah, sorry for bad video quality, guys. I'm very sorry. Yeah guys, with colors it's looking almost perfect, I guess. And yeah, as I am telling every time, very sorry for bad video quality, guys, because it's winter time and it's been almost, guys, 4 days not seeing the sunlight. Wow, it's looking beautiful, guys, from the front, as you can see. And yeah, I also have to need to add colors at the bottom. Okay guys, here we go, guys. Finally we are done making and creating our new crazy looking Beyblade. Just look at that, guys. Finally, guys, I'm done coloring every part of the Beyblade. And yeah, as you can see, here's the metal contact points, guys. Fully shiny. Yeah, not that much shiny, but yeah, these are the metal contact points. As you can see, 3 main contact points. And yeah, it's a triangular shaped Beyblade. And yeah, it reminds me of a Beyblade that just recently leaked, and that's the new UX Beyblade, as you can see, this one, guys. And yeah, pretty much similar, guys, but yeah, at the end it's a triangular shaped Beyblade. And yeah, it's definitely going to be a stamina type or a little bit balanced type, because the performance tip is like that, as you can see. And yeah, please make sure to like this video, guys. Please at least give a like for this Beyblade, and also make sure to subscribe if you are new here watching this video, guys. The moment of truth. I mean truth. Let's go. I hope at least 150 grams, bro. Come on, let's go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oh, wow, crazy. Wow. Okay, guys, my prediction was actually accurate, as you can see. Yeah, 149 grams, but yeah, it's actually... Oh. Okay, guys, it's time for some crazy battle. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Here we go. And here we go, hell sight. Here we go, guys. Oh, guys, look at that. Wow. Crazy, guys. Here's my previous creation, 130 grams heavy metal burst Beyblade, as you can see. Yeah, it doesn't burst, but yeah, it's a burst thing. I think it's going to be... okay. Okay. Oh, extreme finish. Whoa! Ouch! What just happened?
So just do it!